this video, we will show you how to assemble the blower tubes on a RedMax handheld leaf blower. Always disconnect the spark plug before servicing your leaf blower. The RedMax handheld leaf blower has two blower tube parts that can be installed. To install them, first loosen the bolt clamp on the blower outlet. Then insert the upper tube into the air outlet, making sure to align the notch with the groove. And tighten the clamp. Insert the lower tube part into the upper tube part by aligning the notch with the groove. Then twist to the right to lock the tube in place. If you want to shorten the length of the tube, turn it back to the left, slide the tube up to the next groove, and turn to the right to lock it in place again. And that's how to install the blower tubes on a RedMax handheld leaf blower.